Hi there, and welcome to our service agreement series, Unpacking Our Levels for You, in which we're talking about our service offerings. Alessandro, can you give us a brief introduction?
Hi, with pleasure. So a service agreement is a bundle of different services, products, which are combined together to provide customer with a tailored solution, which has the target to increase the lifespan and also improve the performance and reliability of the equipment.
That sounds great. What are the key benefits for our customers?
Our comprehensive service agreements are designed to minimize the production risk, increase planability, and simplify complex processes, all at a fixed price.
And how do we ensure that every customer gets the service they need?
We have designed 7 different levels. Each of them can be customized with additional services, so every customer can find a suitable solution.
Can you explain which services are covered with the service agreement?
Service agreement level 1 includes scheduled inspections, so our expert will visit customer and inspect the machine. In this way, customer will get a proactive maintenance of the equipment and also will gain a single point of contact. In fact, there is a contract fulfillment manager who is responsible for the contract and is there to address any customer needs. In this way, disruptions are avoided and customer can focus on his business and on the production. In addition, we can provide worldwide technical support for the customer. With a service agreement level 2, customer will get our expert, so Syntegon expert with cross-customer experience, not only for the inspection of the equipment, but also for the maintenance. When buying a level 3, it's included a package of spare parts that are defined together with the customer, so in consultation with the customer. With a level 4, we provide a complete preventive maintenance of the equipment. And we also provide the training for customer team in order to operate the machine more efficiently. In this level, all parts which are needed for the maintenance are included. A service agreement level 5 includes not only the preventive, but also the corrective maintenance. This means that the customer will get our expert, Syntegon expert with cross-customer experience, to inspect the machine and to perform the overhaul.
Thank you for the clarification. If you have questions or thoughts, feel free to drop them in the comments below. We're here to assist you. Also, don't forget to check our website for more in-depth information on all of our levels.